Osmo Nano. First use. The product includes two parts, the camera and the multifunctional vision dock. The camera is used for shooting, and the vision dock allows you to see the live view and adjust parameters or functions. When used together, attach the camera to the vision dock with the lens facing forward or backward. There will be a clicking sound indicating the lock is secure. The vision dock will charge the camera after installation. The camera can also be detached and used independently for shooting. Activation. Make sure to activate the camera using DJI Mimo before first use. When the camera is attached to the multifunctional vision dock, press and hold the camera button or the vision dock button to power on. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen to download and install the DJI Mimo app. Run the app. Register your account, and then log in. Tap the camera icon on the home screen, and then click Connect on the corresponding device name. When the verification code appears, click Accept. Follow the prompts in the app to activate the camera. After successfully activating the camera, the app will display a prompt. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care services, you need to complete the purchase and binding within 30 days of activation. Once activation is complete, you can use the camera. Firmware update. Once connected, a prompt will appear in DJI Mimo when new firmware is available. To ensure an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your camera to the latest firmware version immediately. Before an update, make sure the battery level is sufficient. On the home screen of the app, click Download and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. When the firmware is successfully updated, the camera will automatically restart and a prompt will appear telling you that the update has been successful. Button features. Press and hold the camera button to power the camera on or off. Press and hold the vision dock button to power the vision dock on or off. When the camera is attached to the vision dock, pressing and holding either the camera button or the vision dock button can simultaneously power both modules on or off. When the camera is powered on, press the camera button or the vision dock button once to take a photo or to start or stop recording. Press the vision dock button twice to enter the shooting mode quick switch page. Press again to cycle through preset shooting modes. When the camera is powered off, press the camera button once to quickly start shooting using the snapshot feature, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. The camera will automatically power off after shooting if the vision dock is not used, or if the vision dock is used but left idle for 3 seconds. To change the button functions, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap the icon and customize as needed. Charging. Open the USB-C port cover. Connect a USB-C charger to the USB-C port using the provided cable. When charging is complete, close the cover.